So, okay. So everybody be like, I just noticed that everybody be like, hey cousin, or like, what's up cousin? And it's like, I don't want to say like, hey cousin, or like, what's up cousin? So I think I'm gonna just like stick to like, look at my cat in the bed.
Hey Zoe.
So I'm gonna just be like, hey lovelies. How they sound? I don't know. I'm still working on it, but I think I'm gonna stick to lovelies, or I may change it, but everybody's be saying cousin. So I want to be my own person and stuff like that, you know? Yeah, but anyway. Hey guys, it is your girl Nita, and of course I am back with another video. I feel like falling in love. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a I forgot what it was called. Hold on. Okay, I figured it out. In today's video, I am going to be doing a Bath and Body Works candle haul. Okay. So, my birthday is in 6 days, give or take. It's the 26th. It's Sunday. So, a treat to myself, right? I went ahead and just, excuse my background. I went ahead and bought me some candles because I love candles and I love the way they smell. So, let's get to it. So, I got them from online and I had to pick them up at the store. But I had also got some ones that was online exclusive, so they had to get sent to me. But they came fast as ever. So, yeah. So we are going to start with the ones that I picked up from the store. And first up, we have Sweet Red Mango. Child, excuse my nails. I get them done on Wednesday. They are a mess. Like a mess. But yeah, so Sweet Red Mango. Definitely mango. This smells good. And I love the top. I be obsessed with like the different tops that they be having. And I love the artwork on it. It's totally cute. So this is the first one. I give it a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Yep. Next, we have iced dragon fruit tea. Iced dragon fruit tea. And this is just a regular top. Okay, regular top. It smells good, but honestly, it smells like one of my hookah flavors. It smells like a hookah flavor. Yeah. I give it about probably a 7 out of 10. It could be better, but that's that. Mind you, I caught all of these on sale because, you know, who loves a good sale, for $12.95, so about $13, and I got 9 of them. So next one is, oh my god, another pretty top, and this one is Pink Pineapple Sunrise. Pink Pineapple Sunrise. It smells like shampoo. Don't ask what type of like what brand of shampoo, but it smells like shampoo. It's kind of faint, like a faint smell. So yeah. I give it probably about a 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10, one of them. But yeah. And I was literally just picking all of these from off of the names because I really didn't know what they smelled like, and I wanted to try something different instead of getting the same candles over and over again, you know. So this one is pink watermelon. Ooh, pink, my favorite color. Pink watermelon, and it's like a beige white top. I honestly think I had this before. This smells so good. It smells like a candy. I give this a 8 out of 10. Yeah, 8 out of 10. Next, we have Tiki Beach. This is so pretty. Let me just start off with that. It is a regular top. Hold up. Tiki Beach. Okay. This smells good. Definitely spring, summer vibes. I give it a 7 out of 10. 7, 8 out of 10. Yeah. That's one. Then we have strawberry daiquiri. This container is totally cute. Excuse me. It's totally cute as well. It has a regular top. It makes you actually want a strawberry daiquiri, you know. Alcoholic. Oh my god. It smells so good. Woo! If y'all could just smell it, and it kind of looks pink. What you think? It kind of looks pink. 9 out of 10. This smells good. Okay, so those are the ones that I picked up from the store. You know, hold on while we unbox the ones that had to get shipped to me, you know. Okay. First one up. Okay. Honestly, y'all, I have no idea how to open this. That's some real honest stuff. Okay, this one is Into the Night. Okay, black. This is cute. Like a black, matte, black regular top. Now I think I had the spray and lotion and stuff, but I'm really not sure. Oh, this is strong. It smells good, but it's definitely on the stronger side. I give it probably about an 8 out of 10, probably. Into the Night. So that's that one. Next one we have and, you know, usually people be like, oh my god, I got my stuff shipped to me and my stuff is broke. Since I've been like ordering from offline, I haven't gotten any broken candles, so that's a good thing. So props to Bath and Body Works for protecting my precious candles. All right, regular top, and this one is called Orange Pineapple Punch. Okay, regular holder. the name is not matching up to the candle smell. Definitely not. So, and it's real faint. Like, I can't really smell this. So I probably give this a 3 out of 10. I love the name. I love the name, but the smell is not matching up to it at all. Last but not least. Ooh, I opened this box pretty easy, huh? Okay. 1,000 wishes. That is what this candle is. And I shall say, I know I have this in my room. Like, because I love the smell of it. I love this, I love this, I love this. So, I hope it smells just like it or better, okay? So, regular top. I love, and the candle looks just like the spray in the lotion. Yes! I cannot wait to burn this. This smells good. Okay, I get this. It could be a little bit more like scenty. Like, that's not even a word, but it could have a little bit more of scent to it. But I definitely smell like the perfume in the perfume. So this is Into the Night. And that is my last candle, lovelies. So if you liked what you just seen in my video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Because like I always say, we gotta support one another. Like, and if we don't support one another, like, how we gonna grow? Like, and that's on period. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be sure to put all of the names of the candles in the description box. I will be sure to come back with y'all with another video. Bye.
I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go high.